All right, this will be video number 2. I'm up on the second floor right now. Here is one smoke detector outside of this fire bathroom, so it's within 15 feet of that bathroom. New battery has been installed. Out in the main foyer area, the main area on the second floor, there's one right here, which is within 15 feet of both of these. There is another one here, which is within 15 feet of the master, so upstairs is good. Just one point, that requires 3 AAA batteries. I did not have any. I apologize. I would have put them in, but I don't have them and don't at this point have time to go get them. Down onto the main floor, there's another one right here, which is right outside of the bathroom and mudroom. Okay, new battery has been installed in that and hooked up to the hard wire. They're all hardwired except for that one that has the 3 AAA batteries I didn't have. Bedroom in the basement, hardwired, new battery installed. And then over here in the mechanical room, there is another. So right over here as well, new battery installed. So the all the smoke detectors have been installed. We're good on that.